Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Motherfucking Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, spiritual laws, wisdom, and how to reach your fucking dreams, which are your goals, okay, your thoughts. So today, we're gonna go over goals and weakness and goals and power. Let's not forget about weak thoughts versus powerful thoughts. And the weak thoughts are the negative thoughts. A lot of times we think that we're positive, but we're actually vibrating at a negative vibration habitually because we may start feeling good, but then go back. So we got to keep on doing the work until we surpass that boundary, that level of energy, okay? And stay at the positive habitually, all right? So before we get started, make sure you're ready to learn and apply. If you're not ready to learn right now, then come back another time and make sure you're concentrated, right? Those of you who are ready, cross that white line and stay to the end to make sure you connect all the dots. All right, so reaching goals. You've reached goals before. You're already a success. Walking, tying your shoe, riding a bike, getting to class on time. These are the simple things we did as kids, all right? But if we're challenged by focusing on the negative, then we think about the negative instead of those positive things. Just focus on those things and you're a success. Your mindset is of a winner. Just that simple shift in your inner reality will change your outer reality. A lot of times we can succeed if we're angry. We get angry, we get some sort of frustration and then move towards our goals. I did that when I was big. I was gaining weight, you know. I was soft, didn't have muscles, and I was like frustrated and sick. Most likely depressed. I was more depressed because a situation happened where my friend got kicked out of UCLA. That's another story. And so I was very, very sad. And I guess I just really reflected on myself. Okay, I was feeling bad looking at my body and I'm like, all right, I gotta change this. I need to switch this. And we know this subconsciously. So if we're overweight, we want to get better. If we're broke, we want to get more money. If we're lacking love, we're looking for love. And where love is within. Everything is within you. Everything I just shared is a conscious choice to get out of. Right? Now that's where the negative energies come from, the negative thoughts. If you believe that you can't, you won't. If you believe that you can, you will. And this is why a lot of metaphysics teachers and religious teachers say that what is of good rapport, focus on. Love your neighbor like you love yourself, because these are positive energies. These are really positive energies and they're self-sustaining. The other ones are detrimental. They're death-bringing. Depression. Acceleration. Two very different things. So acceleration is energy. Okay? And it's a shift of the fear and anxiety, which takes you to depression and death, where the other side is knowledge, wisdom, understanding, acceleration, ease, and more life giving. If you take care of you, you can give more life to others. And now here is where I'm going to transition into power. If you're intelligent, if you have goals, you're already at a high vibration. So you watching this already in a high vibration. Trying to achieve goals or achieve more goals. Let's not forget that we are all one. Just like Kamala Harris said about the coconut tree. Like, do you think you just like fell out of a coconut tree just now or something like that? Which means it's like, you think you're just alone? No, that you live in a context. You have the time era that you've manifested your body in. The nation, your nationality, if you're from that nation or you're an immigrant status like me, When I came as a little boy and I was quote unquote illegal. What languages do you speak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So going back to this, we live in a context and we're all connected. They're not separate. We're all connected. It's all one. Just like Thomas Campbell said, the universe is like a white sheet, and every existence, every intelligence, everything, all as well, is like a hand out of that sheet, that white sheet, and you put a rubber band around it. That's you. Okay, imagine this. There's two hands here, still the same sheet, and I'm going to rip this sheet. I'm going to stain this sheet. That's you. You're part of the universe. And where we shift into a powerful vibration, where we start getting miracles and things just flow easily, and we're in a state of joy, okay, this is the joy vibration, is when we focus on loving others. Focusing on teaching others how to love and be happy. It goes back and it comes back to you. By making others happy, you make yourself happy. Teaching people how to be happy and joyful makes yourself joyful. But here's the quantum leap. The quantum leap is that you know this consciously, and you know this through wisdom, science, okay? Monkey see, monkey do. That's just like a saying, but we have mirror neurons. Animals also have mirror neurons. If you are an autonomous being, you're not being swayed here and there. You're in your power, you're calm, you're joyful. You give yourself self-love. You don't get love externally. You are walking, traversing this planet in your power. And people see that. People who have not woken up, or have not received that power, have not earned that power, they'll see that and they'll start striving towards it. So your level of vibration, your goal achievement, your love for yourself, and your teachings by example, by just being here, allows others to do the same. Move within this power. Gain your knowledge, gain your wisdom, improve, aim towards your goals, strive towards your goals. Remember, the journey is better than the end. Life is always for expansion. My mind is the center of divine operation, and the divine operation is always for expansion and fuller expression. That's the quote. We're always going for more. We're always going for growth. But always remember that we live in a context, just like Kamala Harris said, okay? Everything is connected. We are all connected. And remember that your example, by knowing this consciously, and you watching this, your vibration has already gone up. Now apply this, know this, so that every single day of your life, you're applying it, becoming a better version of yourself, a loving version of yourself, loving yourself, being the best version of yourself, and then teaching others to do it. By example. Or, like if you're doing it like me, through YouTube, through a medium, through an avenue, through an instrument. Could be book, TV, newspaper, whatever. Post on Facebook. Through your job. I hope you like this one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notifications button if you feel like it. If you don't, that's cool. I'm still gonna create these videos. And now, click the description. You'll see books that I've written that are gonna help you expand your knowledge, and I have exercises, things that you can do and apply, that you must apply habitually, daily, to increase your level of consciousness. So click the link that resonates and buy it for yourself. And of course, because we live in the context, for everyone as well. I love you. Until next time, peace.